Hey, welcome back, family. I got something special for you guys today. Look, I met this group of young men. They were so hilarious to me. And I was teaching them all about credit. I was giving them game, old school popped up. Ooh, I'm giving all the video away right now. Look, I'm just gonna let you guys check it out. But before we do that, hit subscribe and the notification bell if you get value from the videos that I provide. Thank you so much. Here, check it out. Yo, what's up, fam? What's up, fam? How y'all doing? Pretty well, man. Okay, look, he already ready. What's going on? My name's Sire Solutions, man. How y'all doing today?
Good. It's okay.
I'm out here teaching, I like that OKK. We out here teaching about how to build your credit. I graduated from here like 12 years ago or something like that, so I'm super old, don't judge me. But y'all know about credit scores, how to raise your credit scores and different things? What's the highest credit score you can get?
800.
No, 850.
850.
What's the lowest you can get?
500.
500 something? What you think?
I think it's 450. He just cheats, so I don't think.
Wait, what did he say? What did he say?
I don't know.
It's 300. So it's a lot of education y'all need to learn. I didn't know this though when I was in school right here. Nobody taught me. There was a house back in 2008, 2009. I wanted to buy like right down the street from here. It was like $25,000, $30,000. Right now it's worth like 170. Right down the street. I was trying to buy it, but I ain't know nothing about credit, how to use it and different things like that because college didn't teach me. You know, they didn't teach me the things I needed to know or whatever to grow and to learn. So you guys, y'all want to start learning about your credit and stuff and how to use it. Credit make you money. I just got a $35,000 credit card not so long ago. I bought a tractor trailer and a trailer with it and it made me over 50. Then I paid them that 35 back. That's a $15,000 profit for me. Plus, the trailer's still making me money. So the right way to use your credit is not to buy shoes, not to buy clothes, not to buy like, you know, laptops and all that. Less laptops making you money. The best way to use your credit is to make you money. All y'all want to be ballers. So I'm finna ask y'all another question. And if y'all get it right, somebody gonna get some money. You gonna get the money? All right.
I know it all, trust me.
Huh?
I overheard this conversation and I love it. Old school will get that question correctly.
Old school gonna get it. Oh Lord, he cheat. Oh man, okay. Oh, he probably military, he probably service. I gotta make it hard now, guys. I gotta make it hard so he won't get it. Okay.
You want the money too?
You don't know.
You want the money too?
You don't know.
all right. Let's see what we can do. Okay. What is the correct terminology for a student loan? What type of loan is that?
Subsidized.
Personal.
Investment. Compound. Subsidized. Unsubsidized.
So both of y'all kind of right. But when it comes to credit, how does the credit view it?
Personal, I mean.
What credit, on your credit report, how would it look?
Yep.
If you don't pay it back, it won't look good.
So it is a personal loan, and it is a subsidized loan or unsubsidized. But on your credit report, it's gonna show up as an installment loan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, old school, I almost had it now. What branch was you in, sir? I was in the Army as well. Thank you for your service.
Appreciate yours.
Yes, sir. You got the 100. Yeah, what you at right here at university for?
Business.
Y'all better learn.
Yeah. But I do like what you stated earlier. The reason for increasing your credit scores, I like that, is to get money, is to make money. And if you got a good credit score, you can get anything.
Yep.
Anything and everything.
The first one, they can pull out their phone, go to YouTube, type in Jarvis Judah, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment on one of my videos.
How you spell Jarvis Judah?
Jarvis, Judah, Judah. And y'all will see my face shining.
That's why I flunk it.
All right, beat y'all.
Uh-oh.
I already did. I'm already here.
You get the notification bell, I got to see the bell hit.
Personalized loan. I already got that, John.
Oh, who got it? You got it? You did all three?
I did all three.
Okay.
I commented.
Oh, you commented? I commented. Oh, okay.
And I hit the bell.
You hit the bell. Oh, he hit all on the bell. Who hit all on the bell?
I hit all.
Oh, you got these. You hit all. Oh, Lord. You hit all too? Let me see. No, you personalized. So these three, bro. Huh?
Oh.
Okay. You come in it.
Yeah.
You come in.
I just said yo.
You come in. All right. So out of these three,
I liked it.
Out of these three, I don't know who was first. So what we gonna do? You were first. Who was first?
Lie again. Lie again. Lie again.
Run the tape. Run the tape. Tape don't lie.
Run the tape. Run the tape. Tape don't lie. Tape don't lie.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
He was first.
I was second though, right?
Please, I have no job. Make money.
I can't. Yo, go ahead. But look, check this out. I'm gonna be releasing the credit series about how to build your credit score. I'm gonna be teaching how you can grow your credit. So not only grow your score, but how to use it the right way. I'm gonna show you how to make money with your credit, and it's very important. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it the safe way though. You don't want to just match your credit cards out and different things like that. So you want to do it the right way. You guys, if y'all use your brain right, y'all can literally buy a house while y'all in college, own it by the time you get out, or like say if y'all in the dumb tour.
We ain't doing enrollment.
You're dual enrollment? Okay. So when y'all actually go to college for real, or whatever, like when you're there, a lot of times they like to make y'all stay in the dormitory and stuff and taking all that money. It's actually better just to go ahead and get your own property if you're mature enough or whatever. You got a stable job, not to mess up your credit. But like say if you had a duplex, you put one side on Airbnb in this area because it's close to the airport. One side on Airbnb, live in the other side. Those people over there paying you $2,000, $3,000 a month on Airbnb. They're paying for your living, so you're getting paid to stay and go to school.
That's what I do now.
There you go.
I rent out a house. Now cover that house. So my money works. I pay money. So
Hey, look, brother, no, I'm best with you, man. Hey, and so you ain't gotta wait, so long to start doing these things or whatever. Y'all can start doing these things early, man. By the time you get like our age, y'all will be super rich.
That's what I'm waiting for. When I'm 18, I'm gonna get a credit card.
18?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
They in high school going to college.
Man, outstanding.
Shout out. In high school and college, like.
Come on now.
They already ahead of the game, so keep on staying ahead. But it was good meeting y'all guys. Look, y'all just hit me up on YouTube sometimes, like if anything y'all want to learn, any lessons and stuff like that. Just like shoot a comment, I check them all the time. Shoot a comment down below. Like, hey man, I want to know how to get into big music business. I go to a music studio, interview Cardi B's or whoever I can or whatever, and and break down how to get in the music business and get paid doing it. Y'all want to be chemists, whatever it is, accountants. I'll go out there and find out for you guys and save y'all some trouble that I would have had to go through myself or whatever when I was y'all age. So just let me know what y'all want to learn. Comment below and we'll go over it. Okay. All right, night me, y'all. Salute.
Shout out Elite Scholars.
Hey, I'm gonna put y'all in. All right, put y'all in. Y'all good?
Elite Scholars.
Yeah, for sure. Elite
Scholars.
IG.
Tell them your IG.
KK so called with a K.
Okay.
Win.sanity. Win.sanity. WIN.SANITY.
What's your IG? I'm fine. You fine? I'm fine, IG. I find IG. Hey, I just got through watching that video. It was hilarious to me. I don't know what you think. Let me know down below. Look, the next videos are gonna all be about credit building. Everything you need to know to get started building your credit and using it to make you money. So please hit subscribe and the notification bell, and guess what? You will be alerted when the videos drop. So thank you so much for your time, and I love you, family. Real talk.